Forgotten username recovery failed on Tally fix. If you've tried to recover your username on Tally and the recovery keeps failing, don't worry, this is actually a very common issue. Most people assume there's a technical problem, but the surprising truth is that Tally doesn't use traditional usernames anymore. Instead, your account is now tied directly to your registered email address or phone number. Here's how to fix the problem step by step. Step 1. Open the Tally app or go to the official website. On the login page, enter your registered email address, not a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for past messages from Tally. This will confirm your registered account. Step 2. If you can't remember your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the link sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see the message right away. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a Google or Apple account, use that same login method. Many users forget that they signed up using a social login, which causes recovery attempts to fail. Step 4. If you still can't access your account, contact Tally's customer support team through their in-app chat or help page. Let them know that your forgotten username recovery failed and provide your full name, registered email, and any phone number linked to the account. Most people think their account is lost, but it's not. Tally simply transitioned to a streamlined login system that eliminates usernames altogether. Once you use the correct email or social login, you'll regain full access. So don't panic, your data and account are still safe. Just use your email or linked login, reset your password if needed, and your Tally account will be restored in minutes.